Hi, I'm Brian. In this video, I'll teach you how you can create sales invoice and issue receipts for the payments from your customer. So now you have added a list of products in Niagara One and you would like to issue sales invoice. You can click here under the sales section here, sales stroke invoice. Create new invoice and search for the product that your customer ordered, right? So search, for example, your customer, she has ordered this red Korean style handbag, okay, 118, and this European summer top. All right, and you'll see that the total amount is 197 ringgit. You can charge for postage such as 10 ringgit here. Maybe you would like to give 7 ringgit discount. You can just put 7 ringgit here. So the net total round up as 200 ringgit. Now you can search for your existing customer or just click new here. Okay, for example, you can put the name, Lim Mei Hua or something. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The email lim@gmail.com, the address, okay, Jalan ABC, okay, city Georgetown, postcode Penang. All right, and click if the shipping info is the same as the customer info. Then click save here. All right, next choose the delivery method, whether it's a self pickup, post laju, and so on. You can customize this delivery method later. I'll show you where you can customize it. All right, so if there's any invoice due date, right, any due date for this invoice, you can select here. If not, then just leave it blank. Then after you have done everything is right and confirmed correct, just click save. Right, you will see that this invoice status is unpaid because there's only the record for sales order. Okay, your customer orders something from you, it's not necessary that he or she has made the payment. So you will see that the status is unpaid. And you won't see any record in the cash book here because you have not received any money from the customers. Alright, so let's go back to this sales invoice here. Okay, now you have received a payment from a customer. All right, just issue a payment or receipt here. Click plus. All right, the customer Lim Mei Hua, you receive it at Maybank. She transferred 200 ringgit to you, so you just put 200 ringgit here and select which invoice to offset for this payment. So now you can click plus. All right. And the payment proof, you can upload the screenshot for the payment proof and the status whether it's approved or verified. Okay, this is useful if you have a sales staff and she will upload it as a pending status until the admin, you check the account and you approve it. But in our case here, let's just set it as approved. So after you have done, enter the information for the payment, just click save. Okay. So since the payment is 200 ringgit, okay, it's full payment, so there's zero balance now. Okay, the status is set as paid, right? And the system will automatically create a delivery order. As you can see here now, the payment has been received. We issue a receipt here. Then only you'll see a payment appears in your cash book as debit, money in, right? Okay, let's go back to this, okay, sales invoice. All right, okay, let me explain once again. Your sales invoice is the record of order from your customer, whereas the payment is when you receive payment from your customers. You receive the money, then it will then appear in your cash book. And then for delivery order, it states that there's this product need to be sent or need to be delivered to the customers. All right, so the status is still new here. Okay, and you will see that the inventory has not been deducted yet. Okay, let's click inventory here. So 2, there's 0, has not been deducted yet. Okay, so now you have sent this item to your customer. So what you have to do is just click deliver. All right, you can print the DO, you can print the post-ledger consignment note to print your post-ledger form, your borrow post-ledger, okay, using dot matrix printer. Then you can send this product, yeah, to your customer. And this is a total complete process, right? Okay, and then now only you see that this has been shipped. Okay, and the balance of the stock here is 1 and this 9 as a balance. Okay, let me show you again another example. Okay, let's issue another new invoice here. Okay, let's say that you are in photography business or printing business. Okay, let's put a issue of invoice for photography business here. Okay, you can click edit details to edit the details. For example, your customers would like to hire you for wedding photography service. Okay, wedding photography. Maybe you can put in some more details with, for example, 4 locations. Okay, 4 different dresses, and maybe that includes makeup, right? Makeup and so on. You can write the details here, and maybe you're charging like 2,000 ringgit here. Okay, so you can still the same. You can search for the customer name here, Stephanie Tan. Okay, so delivery method. There's no delivery method. You just put blank. All right. The invoice due date. Okay, you maybe 1 month. You can set for 1 month. Okay, 17. Just save. All right. Now this is unpaid, okay, and you need to get some booking fee as a deposit from a customer. So what you can do here is you issue a payment here. Okay, for example, you are asking for 500 ringgit of a deposit from a customer, right? So out of 2,000, she paid 500. So you'll see that 2,000 is being offset with 500. Okay. After you issue the receipts, you will see that the status has been updated as partial. Okay, partial payment has been made, and there's a balance of 1,500. Okay, if you go back, you'll see that there's a 1,500 ringgit due, yeah, on this 17th of August here, right? So when you have delivered your job, you have shoot the photo, everything, so you ask for the balance of payment here, so you can just issue another receipt, yeah, and click save. Now the payment has been made full, yeah, so zero balance, DO has been generated automatically, and you just click deliver since you have delivered the job. Okay. Okay, last, I would like to show you how the system calculates the cost of goods sold incurred in the sales invoice. As you can see here, previously we have entered the cost of goods sold for all these product, right? The handbags here, the cost is 49, this is 35, and all these dresses here. Okay, so let's take a look at this sales invoice to Lim Mei Hua. Okay, so she has ordered a red color handbag and this top here. So the total is 200 ringgit. So what are the costs of goods sold, yeah, for this invoice? So S170002. Okay, so you can see in P&L, the profit and loss statement here, there's a cost of goods sold of 272 has been deducted from your income. So this is a total sales 3115 from your sales invoice, and deduct cost of goods sold here. Yeah, because you're in trading business, so there's some cost for your product, and this is the gross profit, yeah, in your P&L, right? So where does we record this 272 ringgit for cost of goods sold? As you can click into the ledger book here and go to the stock purchase inventory. Okay, stock purchase inventory here, you will see that these in the credit column, these are the cost of goods sold. So 1002, 60 ringgit from Lim Mei Hua. So the system will take, yeah, what you have entered as a cost in the price list here, calculate how many items are there in the sales invoice and enter as a 60 ringgit here, right, as a cost of goods sold. So for other invoices here, Ali, there's a 0 because why? Because Ali uh, for 001 here, the sales invoice is a printing business. It's a printing service. There's no COGS, but what incurs is the expenses. Here, Ali, the second invoice from Ali has buy something, right? So 182. So I hope that you are clear how do the system calculate the cost of goods sold, right? And the rest of the features that you can go through here, okay, what is retail sale? Retail sale is normally for walk-in customers. So walk-in customers, if you want to quickly issue a sales for your walk-in customers, right? Perhaps you have a shop, right? So 79 ringgit, so the payment cash and it's self-pickup, you just save. For retail sale, okay, the system will automatically do a few process at the same time. So it will automatically issue the payment, it will automatically issue the DO and set it as delivered. This is normally we use for walk-in customer, the retail sale. Okay, last but not least, how do you change the delivery method? Here you can click at the user and settings here, delivery method, so you can select and enable which delivery method that is suitable for your business. So I hope that you like this video, how you can use sales invoice receipts DO for your business. Thank you.